Welcome! In this tutorial, you'll learn about the certificate management feature in the Videobar configuration software application. Certificate management allows for industry-standard network security to be deployed across the Bose Professional Videobars in your organization. To access certificate management, open Videobar configuration on a computer connected to a Bose Professional Videobar and navigate to the administration settings. The default password is Bose123! We suggest you change this default password for enhanced security. Once logged into the admin settings, select the shield icon. This page is split into two sections. The first section is Certificate Signing Request with the acronym CSR, and the second section is Install and View Certificates. To create a certificate signing request, simply click the Create CSR button. This will prompt a form that will allow you to enter information. Make sure to select the correct type of CSR, either web server or 802.1x EAP-TLS before filling out the form. Once filled out, select the Create button. This will prompt you to save the CSR. Once saved, the information can be delivered to the certificate authority. Once verified, you'll receive the certificate back. Select the Install or View tab. From here, select the type of certificate you wish to install. Drag and drop or browse to the certificate file and finally input an optional password into the password field. Once completed, simply press the Install button to upload the certificate to the Videobar. Thank you for watching, and be sure to watch the rest of the Bose Professional Videobar tutorials so you can quickly become an expert.